Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how you can add animated text to your stories on Instagram. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This is going to be a pretty simple tutorial here. I'm going to go ahead and add a story, and I'm just going to take a picture here real quick with a black background and tap on the screen in order to create some text. On here, let's just go ahead and put how to pod. Okay. And now there we have this new feature where in the top bar we see 4 different options, and the one all the way over to the right is the one to animate our text. So here we can see we have animation on our text, and the different fonts will provide different animations. Right, so what you can see down below is I'm selecting different fonts here, and each one of these have their own animation. So pretty simple here, and you can do everything else that you could do before as well. So if you want to change the color of it, you can change the color of it. You can add a little background and it will still have the animation going on. So pretty cool here. I'm assuming that this is going to become even more advanced in the future. Maybe more customized text animations in the future. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.